Hello and welcome back friends. In this video we will learn about ladder shortcut keys in LS PLC. First of all we will open our XC5000 software and here we will create a new project. An example, we will write the ladder keys and click enter. In previous videos many examples I shared with you. Example, normally open contact, normally close contact, positive transition sensing contact, closed positive transition sensing contact. And an example, we are creating a one project. Inside, when we like to write the internal memory, so we will just type the MX0 for example. This is the first input of our internal memory bit. And secondly, if we like to make the output, so we have to be typed QX0 for example, first output of our PLC. And now we will discuss about C3, C4, C5, C6 and C7. What's the meanings of these symbols and how we can use these symbols. An example, we like to make this output latch, so easy and fast way how we can create the latch system. Just only you have to click it on this symbol. If you like to choose open contact, but he says normally open or contact or CTRL +3 when you click, after you can select this symbol. Just only click it on the symbol and just place it here and you can see this your symbol is now placed. Otherwise, in a simple way, if I tell you, if you remove this, how we can make the latch symbol. We first take this line and after we will place it here, after we take this line and we place it here, and after we take the same like symbol and after we give the address and after we will got this symbol. So no need this all settings are same like making. You have to be just only go back and only if you like to make it the latch, you have to select this symbol and just place it here and give your address and your symbol will be complete. Next you need only one close contact. So close contact you have to take the MX value, and for an example 1 we will take for the stop condition. So this your latch system is now complete. And next one, if you like to need the close contact with loop, normally close or contact, you need to sum here more for program. For an example, we will take it here one more line, MX2 for example we will take, and we will take the output 1 QX2. So now you need, for an example, this QX2 when on, after when QX0 is on, after you need to this also need to be QX2 on, because of here this is MX2 internal memory we are using. But now if you need one more output with the any OR logic, MX2 running when also need to be on and QX0 when running also need to be on. So how we can do? So we can take the select this one, look like symbol, and you can place it here same as first. This will be placed. When this will be on, also your QX2 will be on, and when this QX0 will be on, also this will be on. So we will this number we will change, only QX0 we will select. And for an example, one more address you like to need take, and when QX0 on, same this system if we make it Control C, and we will make it here Control V, and this line will be delete, and this address we will be change MX5 for example, and QX3 when on. Also you need to run this one QX2. So you can just only go here and you can place it here, and QX3 will be placed. In any of the internal memory or external outputs, one of them if on, your output will be on. So with the download also I will explain you. Just we have to be connect our PLC with the PC, and after we will write the program into the PLC. Now our program is completely downloaded to the PLC, and click OK. We will monitor the program, and you can see I will operate the MX0, and after you can see our QX0 is operated. But what we function designed here, when our QX0 is on, our QX2 also needs to be on. We defined it here QX0 with this program. And if I close this one, for an example, I will make it MX1 on, and you can see our output QX0 is off. And now I need to be run with my MX2. So when I click it on MX2, you can see our QX2 will be on. And now for an example, if we need to be run this QX2 with the QX3, so when we press this one MX5, after you can see QX2 is also on. So this is the benefit of our this branches you can use in the program. And one more thing, if you like to be make it somewhere any emergency look like, and this MX2 we will be place it here, or also you can look like same also can be make edit, go to the cut, and you can paste it here, and this is also you can delete, and this also you can delete, and this also we can delete, and this is also we can delete. And here you for an example need to be use the IX3 of the close contact. Sorry, I typed the one. This is we have to be type the IX3 of the close contact, and now you need to be here like to be make this branches. So how we can make, just only click it there, and you can go here and click it here. You can see your address is now ready, and you just only, this is IX3 close contact, we need the QX0 for example, QX0, and you can see it's ready. And if you need one more, you can write the QX3 for example. QX3 will be placed, very simple and easy method. And if you need for example one more relay QX or any MX5 for example, I will write our QX4 for example. If you write any bit, if you like to be write for example, you can see these branches you can make. And if you need for example with rising edge look like, yani this is the normally close or open contact sensing contact. This is positive or negative transition sensing contact. If you need, also you can select it from here, and just you can place it here, and you can give the address Q0.5 for example, and click it OK, and you can see this is the place. And if you need for an example some negative contact, you can just here place it, and you can change the address for example, and click it OK. You can see this is placed. This is very easy and simple method. you can practice in your program. And if you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.